Real estate investors right now are making a surprising shift. They're not just pouring their money into properties, they're adding something old school, something timeless to their portfolios. It's not another building or piece of land. It's gold. Yes, gold. And here's the thing. This isn't just a random trend. There's a big reason why real estate investors are turning to gold. With inflation at record highs, economic instability hanging over us, and stock markets reacting like roller coasters, traditional investments are looking riskier than ever. And if you've been following the news, especially the headlines about interest rates, bank failures, and even warnings from financial experts, then you know the storm could be coming. In fact, just last month, news outlets were reporting that US inflation surged by 6.5%, the highest we've seen in years. This means your dollar isn't going as far as it used to, and your retirement savings might be losing value in ways you didn't expect. And then, let's talk about the Federal Reserve. Their rate hikes are meant to combat inflation, but what it really means for you is that borrowing becomes more expensive. That's tough for real estate investors, but also tough for anyone with money tied up in traditional savings and retirement accounts. This is why I want to tell you about a story that's happening right now. Meet Linda and Tom, a couple from Phoenix, Arizona. Linda and Tom worked hard their entire lives. Linda as a teacher, Tom as a contractor. Together, they built up a decent-sized real estate portfolio. But as they got closer to retirement, they started noticing the signs of financial instability. The market felt unpredictable, and their property values weren't growing the way they used to. That's when they turned to gold. After receiving a free gold IRA guide, they decided to diversify. They moved $450,000 of their savings from their 401k into a gold IRA. Why? Because they saw the same thing that so many investors are seeing now. Gold is a hedge. It's a safe haven. It's a way to protect your retirement from the unpredictable tides of inflation, stock market crashes, and economic downturns. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why not just stick with real estate? Well, here's why gold makes so much sense, especially for real estate investors. Unlike real estate, gold doesn't require you to deal with tenants, taxes, or maintenance. It's liquid, it's portable. And when the economy is shaky, like it is right now, it tends to increase in value. It's the one asset that has stood the test of time. For Linda and Tom, it wasn't just about diversifying, it was about peace of mind. They didn't want to watch their nest egg vanish in the face of a volatile market. By adding gold, they could protect the money they'd worked so hard to save. And more importantly, they secured a future for their kids and grandkids. Their wealth is no longer tied to the unpredictable swings of the market. So, what does that mean for you? If you're someone who's worked hard, whether as a business owner, investor, or employee, you deserve to have a strategy in place that secures your future. Gold isn't just some commodity, it's the strategy that can protect your retirement. And with a gold IRA, you don't have to worry about hidden fees, complicated paperwork, or high-risk volatility. It's an easy way to safeguard your wealth while maintaining control of your investments. Here's where I want to help you. If you have at least $100,000 in an IRA or 401k, you can get a free gold IRA guide and no obligation educational call today. It's simple, straightforward, and will help you understand how to protect your wealth. There's no pressure, no gimmicks, and absolutely no high-pressure sales. Just a quick one-on-one conversation with me to see if it's a good fit for you. You've worked hard to build your retirement. Now it's time to protect it. Don't wait until it's too late. Click the link below for your free guide and call. Let's make sure you're ready for whatever the future brings without the stress. You've earned the peace of mind. Let's make it happen.